Live, travel, adventure, bless and don't be sorry. This is the Fancyganj road. It is on the other side of Shahporan road. We are going to the royal city to see the Catkins flowers. Catkins flower is the autumn flower. In the royal city, it grows by nature. Now we are entering the Shahporan Bypass. It is one of the beautiful bypass in Sylhet. It is a shortcut way to go Fancyganj road or to the Golammaularasel road. Near the Shahporan Bypass, the new cantonment is building up for Bangladesh Army. This cantonment is so large, it is the most restricted area in Sylhet. Doing video of the cantonment is restricted.
আমি এখন ঠিক দাঁড়িয়ে আছি শাহপুরান ব্রিজে। এটি খুবই সুন্দর ব্রিজ।
On this bridge, a few years ago, bikers used to do bike stunt on the major occasion like Eid, New Year or Poila Boishakh. And many people still come on to this bridge every weekend to spend their leisure time. There are two restaurants in Shahporan Bypass area. One is called Kacalongka and the other one is Cafe 17.
আমি এখন বসে আছি ক্যাফে 17 রেস্টুরেন্টে। এটি খুব সুন্দর একটা রেস্টুরেন্ট।
From Cafe 17, you can enjoy the view of Bangladesh Army swimming pool, which is so beautiful, but it is only for the armies.
আমার ভিডিওগুলো আপনাদের ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং কমেন্ট করে আপনাদের মতামত জানাবেন। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।